My dear students, today we will continue that the second main of the first exercise in the chapter quadratic equation. See, the area of rectangular plot is 528 square centimeter. Area is given. How much? See, area 528 meters square. So let us consider this diagram. According to statement, suppose if we consider x as a breadth, its length will be 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth means x, 2x or twice its breadth plus 1. So this plot area is 528 meters square. Okay, let us write down what we have considered. Let x be the breadth of a plot. Therefore, length equals to 2x plus 1 according to the statement. We know area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. That is, area of 528 equals to length 2x plus 1 into breadth is x. So 528 equals to 2x square plus x. Therefore 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation. But this much is sufficient for this question. Just we have to create the quadratic equation of this question. But let us solve by using some methods, that is factorization method. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, then 2 5s are 10. So 32 into 33, that is plus 33, that is minus 32. Okay, 2x square minus 32x plus 33x minus 528 equals to 0. Then 2x is the common, x minus 16 plus 33 in the bracket x minus 16 equals to 0. X minus 16, then 2x plus 33 equals to 0. Then what happens? X minus 16 equals to 0 or 2x plus 33 equals to 0. X is equal to 16 or 2x is equal to minus 33, which is not necessary to find that since that is we got the negative value. So breadth, that is x equals to 16 meter. Then the length equals to 2x plus 1. 2 into 16 plus 1, that is 32 plus 1, that is 33. 16 meter and 32 meters is the answer for this given question. That is, the breadth is 16 meter, 1 more than twice its breadth, 16 2s are 32 plus 1, that is 33 meter. The required answer is, that is breadth 16 meter and the width and breadth 16 meter and length 33 meter. Okay, see once again how we have solved, and let us continue. Okay, see, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. The product of two consecutive means the continuous numbers. So let x be the first number. Its consecutive will be x plus 1. So what the statement is given? The product of the two consecutive number product equals to 306. So product of the numbers, that is x in the bracket, x plus 1 equals to 306. X into x, x square plus x equals to 306. So x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. Minus 306 equals to 0. Then you observe what we have considered. See, product 306, x in the bracket x plus 1 equals to 306, x square plus x 306, then x square plus x minus 306. Okay, let us factorize this one. 306 equals to 17, 18 are. So plus 18 minus 17. So x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 equals to 0. So x in the bracket x plus 18 minus 17 in the bracket x plus 18 equals to 0. Then common x plus 18, then non-common x minus 17 equals to 0. The plus 18x minus 17x are the factors. So x plus 18 equals to 0 or x minus 17 equals to 0. X is equal to minus 18 or x is equal to 17. We should consider the positive values because he has asked us positive integers. So the integers are x, that implies 17. Next one x plus 1, that implies 17 plus 1, that is 18. 17 and 18 are positive integers. Okay, see once again, just we have considered the statement according to them. We have written the verbal statement into mathematical statement. So we got one of the quadratic equation. So this much is sufficient for you according to the question. But we have to solve this question on the basis of the factorization. So after factorizing, we got the first integer, positive integer as 17. The next one consecutive, 17 and 18 are the consecutive numbers. So that is x plus 1, 17 plus 1. So 17 and 18 are the two positive required integers. Okay, see once again. See, this one is the third problem. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. How much is the Rohan's mother is? 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. See, let us consider the age of Rohan. Let age of Rohan be x. Mother's age x plus 26, because she is 26 older than Rohan. Then age of Rohan after 3 years equals to x plus 3. Age of mother equals to x plus 26 plus 3. X plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29. So, according to statement, therefore, by statement, product of their ages equals to 360. Equals to 360. Product of is equals to 360. So x plus 3 into x plus 29 equals to 360. X into x, x square plus 29x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8, 87 equals to 360. Now x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. Okay, now x square plus 32x minus, that is 273 equals to 0. Now 273, let us split that one. 273 equals to 39 sevens are 39 sevens are plus 39 minus 7, that is x square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 equals to 0. Then x in the bracket, x plus 39 minus 7 in the bracket, x plus 39 equals to 0. X minus 7, x plus 39 equals to 0. X minus 7 equals to 0 or x plus 39 equals to 0. Therefore x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 39. We should not consider the negative values. X is equal to 7. That means Rohan's age is x is equal to, that is 7 years. Okay, see this one is the fourth one, not third one. Fourth problem. See, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. So we should consider distance equals to 480 kilometers at 84 speed. That means let x be the speed of the train. Okay, now time taken. Time taken equals to distance divided by speed, that is 480 divided by x. If speed reduced to to 8 kilometers, now uniform speed will be x minus 8. Therefore, time taken to 480 divided by x minus 8. Speed is reduced to 8 km. Therefore, speed x minus 8. Therefore, time taken equals to 480 divided by x minus 8. By statement, of the problem, by statement 480 divided by x minus 8 equals to 480 by x plus 3. 480 by x plus 3. Because see, the speed had been 8 kilometer less, then that will be x minus 8. It would have taken 3 hours more. It would have taken 3 hours more plus 3. 480 by x plus 3 to cover the same distance, that is 480 divided by x minus 8 equals to 480 by x plus 3. Now 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equals to 3. LCM, x in the bracket x minus 8. This is x. This is x minus 8. 480x minus 480 in the bracket x minus 8 equals to 3. Now 480x minus 480x minus into minus plus 8 zeros are 0, 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6 38. Divided by x into x square minus 8x equals to 3. See what happens. Plus 480 minus 480x cancels. That is 3840 divided by x square minus 8x equals to 3. Now cross multiplication. 3 in the bracket x square minus 8x equals to 3840. Therefore, x square minus 8x equals to 3840 divided by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 8s are 0. So the required equation will be x square minus 8x equals to 1280. Therefore, x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. Then we have 1280 can be split into, that is 40 into 32. That is minus or plus. Equals to 0. X in the bracket x minus 40 plus 32 in the bracket x minus 40 equals to 0. X minus 40, then x plus 32, x minus 40 equals to 0 or x plus 32 equals to 0. X equals to 40 or x equals to minus 32. Negative value should be neglected. Therefore, x equals to 40 kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed okay. See, already I have told. Once again I will repeat the statement. Only you need to calculate a quadratic equation related to this statement, not necessary to solve the problem. But anyhow, we have solved the problems, which helps you to understand in what way we have to solve the problems when such problems are appearing. Okay, see the equation. Then I hope you have understood that problems whatever I have solved. Okay, this exercise will continue tomorrow.